Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up push notifications for your BitBucket repository. To do so, we're going to use BitBucket webhooks and the Spontit API. You can check out more about the Spontit API at api.spontit.com. Spontit is a free service that allows you to use push notifications in an easy, flexible, and functional way. Um, and it's free. And yeah, so you can go there, check it out. This assumes that you are already signed up. And so the first step to getting this to work is we're just going to send a quick test notification to make sure that we receive it on all of our devices. So go to the push tab on spontit.com once you're already signed in, and then click the main channel, click push, and just type in test and push to all. All right, it worked. Great. You can open it if you want, and there we go. Okay, so uh, now let's go over to our BitBucket repository. So sorry, let me actually go back here. This is what you see right when you go to the repository, and then you want to go to repository settings here, and then you want to go to webhooks right here, and then click add webhook. Okay, so let's call this Spontit push notifications, and then the webhook is api.spontit.com. So make sure it's API, not Spontit. So api.spontit.com slash webhooks slash bitbucket, and and then slash next slash is going to tell us what channel. So here we know. So the first thing is in Spontit there are different channels that you can send it to. So there's a video in the description that explains more about what channels are, but currently your default channel, the one you it's created when you sign up, is just your main channel, and that's your username. So I'll explain a little bit more towards the end, but for right now, we're just going to use our main channel, which is the one that pops up on the push tab here. So you can get your username by going to the profile tab and copying and pasting it. Now, if you want to change your username, do so now, because if you change it later, the URL will not be valid, and you'll have to just change the webhook URL. So go back here and do slash or username. Okay. And then the next thing is BitBucket does not allow you to put in the secret key, which is what you need here. So type in, so we're going to use a query parameter to pass it. And this is safe because it's a post request and it's between servers. So just do a question mark and secret camel case key equals, and then we go get a secret key from Spontit. So go click the API here and then click get secret key. Let's just get a new one and copy. Go back here and then paste. Okay, so there it is. And okay, there we go. So we added it. And now let's try to trigger it. So go to your source, go to README or whatever it is, and just edit it. Commit, commit, and we get an update here. So it's that simple. Okay, and there's some details here, and then an important part is it says in the bottom to improve the body sent in the push. Please contribute to github.com/spontit/bitbucket webhook string. Uh, this is a repository here we made public. It's how we translate the event that Bitbucket gives us to a string that we send to you. So if you have a way to improve it for everybody and yourself, just create a pull request and issue, and we'll review it. And if it all checks out, we'll add it to our server. So I'll have this link in the description as well. Now, one last thing. If you use Spontit for multiple things, or if you have friends who follow you, etc., you probably don't want to send it to just your main channel because other people might receive it. So just go ahead and create a new channel and call it BitBucket repository or just repo. Okay, and once that's done creating, we can view it, and you'll see here the link is a little different. Okay, it's also mirrored right here. So we can just copy and paste BitBucket repo, go over here, and we want to go back to repository settings. So this is where we're going to change. So go back to webhooks. This is where we're going to change which channel it's sent to. It's very simple. You just go here and you click slash copy and paste that. Okay, save. So again, we got this part right here. This is a new channel. Okay, and now we can go ahead and test it the exact same way. Go back to the README, click edit, and now click test one. Okay, do it again, and there we go. Now open it, and we see it's from BitBucket repo. We can also go back here to our channel here, and we'll see now we only have this notification because this is the only one so far that we've sent to this channel. So therefore, anybody who follows this channel will now get that notification. So you can invite other people, by clicking that. Okay, great. That's everything. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you have a great day.